Hey guys, SlideRexL37 here, and welcome to Super Slime Blitz. Now, I'm actually pretty good at this game. I got it yesterday. Yeah, I got it yesterday. It's actually really fun. I was going to be playing Roblox, but who cares? I want you to see a gameplay of it. But if you already played, then you know what I'm talking about. So, yeah, it's pretty easy. I actually have a bunch of characters. I have time to go on to Anton. Now let's go. You don't have to tap, well, you do have to tap the blocks. And there's these doors and keys, and you have to have some keys to open the doors. Now watch how we play. You have to, dang, I haven't played this in a while. Still got it. Yeah, and you have to watch out for flying slime, blocks, and spikes. All of those can kill you. Hey, key. Hopefully we can find a door now. I'll show you what the level with the doors are. They're actually pretty funny. Oh, dang it. Me neither. Oh, dang it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Ooh, 50 coins. 434. Yeah. Right. Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go. Time to do it. Alright. Even though you're gonna see an ad, who cares? And this one's really short, so I'm just gonna shut up.
Check. 3 bear buddies who wanna be your friends? So many friends? Check. Check out We Bear Bears. Own it on digital today.
And we're back. Yeah. I like this level. And that, when you get to the top, you, get to teleport. Rocky would love this. Oh, yeah, key. My schedule's busy. Schedule is really busy. I have a busy schedule. Me? That was a busy schedule. It really was. Oh my gosh, 2 hours. Dang. Alright, what is it? Ooh. I got some comments. Oh, dang it. Nah. No. I was too busy. Finally, I got one comment. Jay, he said, keep up the good work. I finally have a fan. I finally have a fan. Look, I'll show you again. Keep it up. Yay. Thank you. I'm so happy that you're my first fan, I think. He said keep it up. I don't know if that classifies him as a fan or not. Who cares? The first comment I got. Hey. Ooh, yeah.
Giant cupcakes.
Alright, I'll shut up again.
Check. Massive huggable burrito? Check. 3 bear buddies who want to be your friends? So many friends? Check. Check out We Bear Bears. Own it on digital today.
Taking it to the next level. Yeah, I am. Not really. One key. Oh gosh. Yeah, like I told you, these are the paths that bring you to a next level. See? And I've been to all the levels, actually. I think I've been to all the levels. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is a spacey kind of level. Yeah, Super Slime Blitz is really fun, so you might want to consider downloading it. Because it's like really fun. And this is my favorite show. Alright. You want to play like that? And that's my high score right there. I have a good high score. Alright. There we go. I want to go this way for the money. I'm going to go this way. Yeah, I'll show you the doors of the president in this episode, but I'm going to be ending the video soon. Hopefully you get to see a door. Alright, let's see. If it's a long advertisement, I'm ending it. Alright, so hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like or even subscribe. That is way better. And I'll see you all in the next video.